Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can uninstall apps on your OPPO F23. So first of all, you have to open the settings. Next, you have to scroll down and find apps. Right now, select App Management. And right here, you can find any application that you want to remove. So I'm gonna do this with this Genshin Impact game. Select Uninstall button and click OK to confirm. As you can see, we easily get rid of that application, and there's also some kind of the applications that you cannot remove, for example the Google Assistant. So basically all default system apps you cannot remove, and the same for the Google Chrome. As you can see, there is no uninstall button. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.